Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus was a carnivore. It lived in the Cretaceous period and inhabited Europe and North America. Its fossils have been found in places such as Central Loire Valley, France, South Dakota and Nebraska. The Mosasaurus was an enormous aquatic lizard of the Late Cretaceous, dwelling in what would become the North Atlantic Ocean. It is named for the Meuse River, where the first fossil specimen was discovered. The largest species of the Mosasaur species could grow to over 50 feet long, with a streamlined skull bristling with teeth, a barrel-like trunk for its midsection, and a long, powerful tail. It was an aquatic reptile, not a fish, as evidenced by its two sets of fins. Early paleontologists initially suspected that the mosasaur was an ancient crocodile or monitor, but eventually it became clear that it was a different species altogether, unrelated to any modern animal. Mosasaurus lived near the surface of the water, since it breathed air, much as whales do. They were carnivores, feeding on whatever edible animals were unfortunate enough to cross their path, likely fish, plesiosaurs, and even other mosasaurs. Traditional interpretations have estimated the maximum length of Mosasaurus to be up to 17.6 meters, 58 feet, making it one of the largest mosasaur genera. Its skull, which was either broad or slender depending on the species, was equipped with robust jaws capable of swinging back and forth and strong muscles capable of powerful bites using dozens of large teeth designed for cutting prey. Its forelimbs were shaped into robust paddles to steer the animal underwater. Its tail was long and ended in a paddle-like fluke that bent downwards. Mosasaurus was a predator that had excellent vision to compensate for its poor sense of smell, and a high metabolic rate that suggests it was endothermic, warm-blooded, an adaptation only found in mosasaurs among squamates. The classification of Mosasaurus was historically problematic due to an unclear diagnosis of the type specimen. As a result, over 50 different species have been attributed to the genus in the past. A re-diagnosis of the type specimen in 2017 helped resolve the taxonomy issue and confirmed at least 5 species to be within the genus, and another 5 species still nominally classified within Mosasaurus are planned to be reassessed in a future study. Fossil evidence suggests that Mosasaurus inhabited much of the Atlantic Ocean and the seaways adjacent to it. Continents that have recovered Mosasaurus fossils include North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Western Asia, and Antarctica. This distribution encompassed a wide range of oceanic climates including tropical, subtropical, temperate, and subpolar climates. Mosasaurus was a common large predator in these oceans and a dominant genus positioned at the top of the food chain. Scientists believe that its diet would have included virtually any animal. It likely preyed on bony fish, sharks, cephalopods, birds, and other marine reptiles including sea turtles and other mosasaurs. It likely preferred to hunt in open water near the surface. From an ecological standpoint, Mosasaurus probably had a profound impact on the structuring of marine ecosystems. Its arrival in some locations such as the Western Interior Seaway in North America coincides with a complete turnover of faunal assemblages and diversity. Mosasaurus faced competition with other large predatory mosasaurs such as Prognathodon and Tylosaurus, which were known to feed on similar prey, though they were able to coexist in the same ecosystems through niche partitioning. There were conflicts among them, as an attack on Mosasaurus by Tylosaurus has been documented. Several discovered fossils illustrated deliberate attacks on Mosasaurus individuals by members of the same species. Infighting likely took place in the form of snout grappling, similarly seen in modern crocodiles. I think everyone got more about Mosasaurus. See you with another topic.